Hello friends, it's Saurabh here, back again at Progressive Coder. How is everyone doing out there? Today I bring for you a very special series of videos on React, and this video over here is the first video in an exhaustive React course that I have prepared. The overall course is divided into three major sections: beginner, intermediate and advanced. Depending on your level of requirement, you can proceed with the appropriate sections. And for ease of use, I have also combined the videos as well as published them individually by topics. So for example, in a React beginner course, you might have videos on what is JSX, what is React, and React components and React props and so on, individual videos. And then I also have a combined video that takes all of these individual videos and builds one common video out of that. The combined video is a bit more seamless in transitioning from topic to topic. So depending on your preference, you can choose to go through combined videos or go through individual videos. That's totally up to you. So without wasting any more time, let's start with the React beginner section of our course. And also, please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people. So I won't waste any more time, enough talking. Let's start. Alright, so here we will start with the first section of our course, that is the beginner section for React. And the very first topic that we will have is an introduction to React. So what is React? If you go by the absolute official description of React, it is basically a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. This description is given by the very creators of React, that is Facebook, so it is as authentic as it can get. Since it is a library, then it is pretty safe to say that it is not a full-blown framework such as something like Angular. If you don't know about Angular, it is basically a framework to develop single-page applications. Angular is also one of the main competitors to React. Overall, React ecosystem comprises of many different libraries, and you can choose to use as much or as little as you want. Due to this flexibility, it is also said that React can be gradually adopted in your system or application. So moving on, how do we get started with React? And to do that, there are a few steps that have to be followed. The first is that we have to download Node.js on our system. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment that allows you to build applications using React. So we have to basically install Node.js and Node Package Manager as well. The next step is to install the package Create React App from NPM. Though there are several other ways to also start off with React, Create React App is the easiest and by far the simplest way of getting started with React. Once the package is successfully installed, we can use Create React App command to create a new React application and get started with developing it. So let's look at how things appear in our system. So first step is we have to check whether Node.js has been installed. So once you install Node.js, you can check your Node version like so. So currently I am running on Node version 12.14. We can also check the npm version using this command, and it is going to tell me the npm version or Node Package Manager version. So in my case, both Node.js and npm are installed properly. In case you want to install Node.js, you could head over to the nodejs.org site and download the latest version which is available. So in your case, it might be an even later version depending on when you are seeing this video. So you can download whatever is the latest version and then execute this command to find out whether Node.js is successfully installed or not. So the next step is to install Create React App package. So how we can do that? We can execute the command npm install, and we want to do it at a global level. So npm install -g create react app. And what this will do is this will install the Create React App package in our local system. As you can see, the package has now installed. Now using this package, we can create a new React application. So to do that, we can execute the command Create React App my first React application, or I'll just keep it as app. So when we execute this command, this is going to build up a React application for us, and with all the best practices that are provided along with this package. This will take a while depending on the internet speed and your overall network connection. So the installation has finished and we get a bunch of messages over here, and if you scroll up you can see all that has happened. So the majority of this is downloading a bunch of dependencies that are required for running a React application. And when all of this has happened, you will see a lot of these messages, especially success message, and the first React application has been created. Now if you want to see what has been given to us, we can quickly run this application by using these commands. So we need to change into the directory. So we'll change the directory, my first React app, and then I'll execute the command npm start. So this is going to start our application. It tries to open it in Edge. I will close that and instead move to Google Chrome. So our application has started on localhost 3000. So I'll be giving that. And yes, we can see our React application has started up. So this is basically a template application that has been built along with the create React app package. So whenever we create an application using this particular package, we get a ready to use application with this particular homepage. And it also has a URL which takes you to the React official documentation. So with this, we have successfully managed to create a React application from scratch. And in the next video, we are going to open up this React application and see what we have got and what is the structure of this application look like. So till then, have a nice day.